Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 K&M SPYDER RSS SE5. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 SPYDER with 13,152 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a Two Brothers Racing exhaust, custom paint, an aftermarket seat, handlebar risers, and grips. Powered by a 998cc V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 106 horsepower and 76 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 6.6-gallon fuel tank and a fuel range of 180 miles. It has a 29-inch seat height and a dry weight of 698 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 13 volts, the front left tire and front right tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the outside temperature gauge is slow to respond to temperature changes. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint blemishes and a dent in the nose plastics, and the left hand grip is tearing. This TRIKE has a toolkit and one key. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.